Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to fix if there is a problem in parsing the package. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the settings. So scroll down and here tap on password and security. Again scroll down to the privacy protection. Scroll down and here tap on special permissions. After that, here you'll find the option of install unknown apps. So tap on it and here you have to enable Google. So scroll down and search for the Google. Here tap on it and enable this option and tap on OK. So that will help you fix out your problem. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.